Nature's Whispers Guidebook. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Thin pages and no color. Very thick cardstock. The cards are very large compared to my hand. I can only shuffle them in one direction. Now I'll do a 3-card pull. The big picture. There is so much more going on than you realize. You might be trying to micromanage a situation and are too focused on small details. If you've been struggling with a problem or tough situation, this card can signal that you will find answers if you stand back and view everything from a larger perspective. Make a wish. This card is a gentle reminder to set clear intentions about what you wish for in your life. You're being asked what you would like. At this moment, anything is possible. If you were given one wish, what would you wish for? Trust that your wish will be granted at the most opportune time and in the manner that supports you in the fullest. Acceptance of love. The image is a representation of the harmony of opposites, masculine and feminine. You have the ability to give love freely to yourself and to others. Love can happen. Love is truth of all situations. Express more love in your life and allow yourself to feel loved. You bring a light and individuality into this world. I really love the art on these cards. The last little bit will just be flipping through the details. Welcome to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, found anything interesting or helpful, hit the like button or leave me a comment down below to let me know. And if you want to see more, hit subscribe.